Hello, welcome to AIexperiments.com. My name is Pavel and I have already finished my work, and I suppose it's a good time to talk just a little about AI, artificial intelligence. And today I'm going to talk about data scrapping in AI Animals project, which I have developed almost 1.5 years ago for the NVIDIA Challenge Rocket. What I used, what tools did I use, how many images I finally managed to scrap from Google Images search, and about the quality of the images. I mean, not about the quality itself, but the quality of the data, because not everything that you are trying to search in the internet is always the thing you are looking for. You can eat this mushroom if you want, but of course, if you are eating mushrooms, you have to be aware that some of them can be deadly poison to you. And maybe next year I will make some kind of a device that can distinguish good mushrooms and bad mushrooms. Data scrapping. So I've been using Selenium, as you probably have seen on the GitHub account. Why Selenium? So the answer is pretty simple, because I more or less know Selenium, and it also gives you the possibility to download images directly from your web browser. I could see which bird species I've been downloading. You need time, because when you are downloading file by file from a web browser, you probably know or should be aware that data should be loaded by Google, by your browser from Google. So all in all, it takes about 15 minutes for every class you are trying to download. You also need Python. I think that Selenium is working with Python 3, and of course, if you are downloading it at night, you should make your script timeouts. This means that if your download or internet connection hangs, your script will not stuck in the middle of downloading. What's more, first of all, you have to definitely open the web browser using Selenium. The second thing you should do when you are working with scrapping data using Selenium is to scroll all the page down, like you are scrolling your mouse, because the data is not loaded at once. So it's obviously that you have to scroll until you see the little button which you should also click using the script for more images. When all those data are seen in your web browser, then your script gets the whole URL list from the code of the page. Then I suppose I use get method to download every image, with of course 10-second timeout. And when the data is downloaded, it's being saved in prepared by me catalogs with classes names and so on, and after all, the data is ready.